Hello folks, this is Tech20 coming at you with another video. Today we're going to go ahead and learn how to put a date picker into our Excel spreadsheets. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and click on your developer tab. If you don't have that in there, I do have a video showing you how to do that, which I will link in the description below. You'll go ahead and click on developer tab, and then you'll go ahead and click on add-ins. That will bring up your add-in menu, and what you're going to do is go to the office store here. Click on that, and then you're going to search for date. Hit search, and then select add. Get a pop-up here, just hit continue, and it will go ahead and build your date picker right here. Now this is a cool little feature because you can go ahead and click there, and I can go ahead and click on today's date. I can go ahead and click on next week's date. I can click on 2 weeks from now's date. And you have little selections down here. If you look here, you can see the highlighted range of dates, which will select your spreadsheet. The week numbers, the weeks of the year. The calendar system can be like, ISO calendar system, different types of calendars that are around the world. You have change your calendar theme, which you can do that as well. I'm going to toggle that off. And then you can also make it small. So you can shrink this down. And if this is something you're going to use repeatedly, you can just put it into a spot and you can just go ahead and grab your dates, any dates that you need here. If it's something you're just using just to select some dates because it's a little bit easier to do, once you're done, you just click on this outline here and then hit your delete key and it's gone. Hope you found this content helpful. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.